Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss about the impact of emerging technologies, and there are different types of technologies which are emerging nowadays in our daily life, but I will discuss one of two to three these technologies. And one of them today I will discuss on that, and the today's on which I will discuss the emerging one of the emerging technology is artificial intelligence biometrics. First of all, we I will discuss about the artificial intelligence. It means arzi zahanat, we can say in Urdu, but how can you make the concept of this artificial intelligence? So I will quote a very simple example first of all in English and then Urdu. When a very a toddler, mean a baby who is creeping, first of all when he sees a fire and he doesn't know about what type of fire is a dangerous or not, he basically he goes near to the fire and he put his hand into the fire. When he feels that there is a dangerous for his hand, and he gets back his hand, and then he feels that the fire is a dangerous for him, and next time he will think that he will never ever put his hand into the fire, because after this observation he observes and he feels that the fire is a dangerous for him. Now I will explain in Urdu कि बच्चा जब छोटा बच्चा होता है उसे ये नहीं पता होता कि आग जल रही है। वो आग के करीब जाता है और अपना हाथ आग में लेके जाता है, यानी आग को पकड़ने के लिए वो अपना हाथ आग में डालता है, तो उसको फील होता है कि ये आग उसके लिए नुकसानदेह है। वो अपना हाथ पीछे खींच लेता है। तो इस ऑब्जर्वेशन ने उसको ये महसूस करवाया कि यहाँ पर कोई खतरा है, नेक्स्ट टाइम वो अपना हाथ इस आग में नहीं ले जाएगा। तो उसके मुशाहिदे ने, उसकी डिसीजन ने, उसके एक माइंड ने उसको ये लर्निंग दी कि ये चीज उसके लिए डेंजरस। सेम लाइक आर्टिफिशियल, दिस इज द सेम concept of artificial intelligence. Now I will discuss about the biometrics. Basically, what is the biometric? Basically, biometrics are a way to measure a person's physical characters to verify their identity. These can include psychologically traits such as fingerprints is basically a characteristics of a person's physical, basically such as fingerprints and eyes or behavioral characteristics. These are basically a characteristics of a person's physical, such as the unique way you would complete a security authorization puzzle. Same like uh, when we get any type of a permission, when we get any type of a permissions, so normally, and we use for a machines, we use a passwords, and with the help of a password there are different types of password, and using these passwords we can get the permissions and we open and log in the system that is in our control. But there are others identifications are here. With the help of those identifications we can easily open our system and our machines. Nowadays there are many recently and decent and latest cell phones, they use basically artificial intelligence biometrics, in which our fingerprints can be scanned, our eyes can be scanned, and our other behavior characteristics such as the facial expressions also can be scanned. But what is artificial intelligence biometrics? So artificial intelligence biomet overcome this problem using dynamic profiling. But what was the problem before artificial intelligence was? The problem was simple. Basically, uh, a problem with biometric technology is that many fingerprints identification systems falsely rejects a person's fingerprints when the scanned fingerprints are checked against the database. No matches are found. So these type of problem oftenly occurred after a week, after a month, or even after a couple of days. These type of problems were very common in biometric system. But artificial intelligence biometrics overcome this problem using dynamic profiling. The system learns by using AI about a person's fingerprint on every scan. This means person doesn't have to worry about getting their finger in exactly the right place every time on the scanner. The system learns from the different alignments and is therefore still able to match the fingerprints to those stored on a database. Is it clear? So, uh, so this in this type of this. Now, there can be advantages of artificial intelligence biometrics, but because it is a very powerful identification systems, and there is a very less chances to breach this type of identification system. But especially in facial expressions, you can say that in facial recognition system can have the same problem. A human being is still be recognized to a face even if the person has grown facial hair, now wears glasses, or has aged. So these type of computerized facial recognition systems are confused by such a soft biometrics changes. So it can be a overcome, so it can be a handled with the help of a artificial intelligence biometrics. So there are some disadvantages of the biometric authentication. Is one of the main disadvantage of this technology and this system is a cost, because you have to pay a lot of money for purchasing and getting these type of equipment and devices, and to make the whole network for this identification system. And the second advantage of this is data breaches, because there is a easy way to hack the identification system in terms of fingerprints and so on. So data breaches are easy as compared to the powerful password is compared. So this was the topic today I have delivered in front of you people on this video lecture. Next time I will talk about the robotics, and if you get any type of problem, you may contact me about this. Thank you.